Hello and welcome back to yet another episode on our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. What are we going to show you today? Well, some time ago we showed you a chair which was painted with Frenchic Furniture Paint and we discussed the process. This time we have two chairs and we're showing you the process from start to finish. What we did here, basically we used the old blue eyes from the Fresco range. We mixed it with some blackjack to have a tone darker, and then we diluted with water. Basically it was like 50 to 30, 50 paint and 30 water. We wanted the color, so we didn't want the properties of the alfresco, because afterwards we did wax. So if you notice here, the chair is just finished from waxing. What we did was mainly we did some cleaning first, then we did some sanding on the wood. We didn't sand the fabric because the fabric is a little bit delicate. Then we gave about 2 to 3 coats of the paint, so that when we were satisfied with the consistency of the paint, we then let it dry, even between coats obviously. And then afterwards, first we applied the clear wax on the fabric and we went for browning wax on the wood, so that there would be some difference between the wood and the fabric. So the fabric is a little bit lighter in this case. Why did we use the clear wax first? Well, mainly because when you apply the browning wax, there might be some spots going on the fabric, and when you have clear wax, you use clear wax once again on the brown wax where you don't want it, and it just cleans away. So it is a bit of an eraser, as we usually say. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much to all of you who have subscribed and follow us every week. And now I leave you with the process of these two chairs.